In this video, we are going to be going over some of the standard miscellaneous functions we'd be using in Restaurant Manager. The first of which is we are going to transfer tables. So as you can see on the screen, we have a couple of tables open. Judy needs to go home. She's asked Wilma if she can transfer her table to her. So all we have to do is begin as Wilma, open up Judy's table, go down to our miscellaneous key, and go up to employee transfer. It's going to ask us who we want to transfer this table to. We are transferring it to Wilma. And we would just want to confirm that by saying yes. And that table belongs to Wilma. Now for an example, let's say Wilma needs to take off, and the only employee left in the restaurant is Fred. She needs to transfer all of her tables to Fred. We can quickly do this by, again, beginning as Wilma. This time, going into the miscellaneous key on the main screen and saying transfer tables. We are going to transfer from Wilma to Fred. It's going to ask us if we want to transfer all tables from Wilma to Fred. We need to enter Fred's passcode at this point as more of a confirmation that yes, Fred is receiving all these tables. We click OK, and now you can see they are all transferred to Fred. Next, we are going to revise a settlement. Revising a settlement allows us to change the method of payment a bill was closed to. So for example, if we mistakenly closed a table as cash, when in fact it should be a credit card, and that allows it not to mess up our end of day report. To do this, we have to begin as a manager, go into the miscellaneous key, and hit revise settlement. It's then going to ask us to find the transaction we wish to revise. Then what we have to do is click revise, and this brings us straight to the settlement screen. We cannot edit menu items from the revise settlement. All we have to do now is click cash, click delete, and this asks us if we want to delete this cash payment, and now we click our actual method of payment and finalize it as that payment. Keep in mind that this can only be done on the same session number, the same day. If you try to go back for yesterday's order, you cannot do so. Next, we're going to go over how to perform a refund. If a customer returns and requests a refund, we can do so by beginning as a manager, opening any table, and then finding the item that they wish to be refunded. And now, all we have to do is click miscellaneous and hit the refund key. It's going to ask us apply the refund to the entire check. Say yes, and now we can settle that transaction. We're going to settle as cash, and it's going to tell us we owe the customer $20.70. We can finalize this transaction, and we have completed a refund.